Madam Sun. So at the same time, I would like to express my gratitude to the District Social Welfare Department and to the District Social Welfare Officer Madam Sun for inviting me to be part of this observation of Nasha Mukt Bharat. So first I'd like to speak on the health aspects related to drug abuse. Rather than drug abuse, which is a stigmatizing term, we would better use the term substance use disorder. So what is actually substance use disorder? It is the continued use of a substance despite personal, professional and health-related problems caused by the usage that negatively affects a person's day-to-day life. So some of the common drugs which we have heard, which we encounter are, please remember, alcohol, tobacco and nicotine. They are topping the list into which our youth, our children are exposed. So they are included in the drug list. Then we have cannabis. The street name for it is ganja or bhang. We have cocaine, which are used as snuff, as inhalants. We have heroin, we have hallucinogens, we have opioids to build our body. Those also, they are drugs. Don't get influenced by them. Then we have these methamphetamines like ecstasy tablets, happy pills, yaba tablets, which are bright color tablets. It's not that I'm educating you about these various tablets, but there is a time where in your life where you are tempted, where you are exposed to drugs. Many a times bikers, they come swiftly to the taxi stands, bus stands, to the schools, outside the school campuses and offer these as dope. They'll come and whisper you. So please, dear children, beware of that. And also tobacco and alcohol, these are the starting drugs, especially at your tender age. So these substance use disorders, there are 5 criteria to determine whether the person, whether the individual is a substance user. Number 1 is using more of a substance than a person intends to. Number 2 is using it for a longer duration. Number 3 is you are unable to control yourself or cut down on the usage. Then there is intense craving, urges to use this substance. Then when you stop this substance, you develop withdrawal symptom, restlessness. So the substance use disorder, it affects several aspects of the person's physical and psychological health. I'll just mention a few problems, disorders which a person encounters when he is exposed to these drugs. So it depends on the dosage also. You can get heart problems, cardiovascular problems, that is increased heart rate, blood pressure, and on overdose you can get heart attack or stroke. Then, like very common with smoking, with nicotine, tobacco, you have respiratory issues. It damages the lungs and you are prone to frequent cough and respiratory infections. And for a long time, it is very common, especially people in our area, that they fall prey to cancer of the lungs. Then there is the liver damage, which leads to liver failure due to the toxic effects of drugs. Then you also encounter malnutrition and weight loss. Then there is increased risk of blood-borne infection like HIV, hepatitis. Then it also affects the mental aspects, like you get anxiety and depression. So there is cognitive impairment, that means there is problem, there is memory loss. You face difficulty in concentration, in attention. Then there is mood disorder, there is emotional instability. And it can also, severe cases can lead to suicidal thoughts and behaviors and attempts. The brain also is affected, even by smoking, by alcohol. The brain, it affects slowly and the damage is irreversible. That's why there is memory loss and you get convulsions, seizures. And on withdrawal symptoms, these problems, they become more exaggerated. Then lastly, we see the impact on reproductive maternal health. Females or mothers who are exposed to these drugs, they can get pregnant with babies who have birth defects, low birth weight, or deliver prematurely. abortion, miscarriage, stillbirths. These also are caused by exposure, consumption of drugs, infertility in males and females due to drugs, and also the sexual tract infections due to high risk behavior. Those also you can encounter.